Hey Ross, how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good, welcome aboard. And
Thank you very much.
You've been coming here to prepare the pass, getting ready for your P's?
That's it, 4 lessons and here we are, we've got them.
Yeah, you have?
Yep.
Well, how did you feel about your training and what you undertook here?
Oh, it was amazing. You know, my boy Juicy Ross, recommended me to you.
Yeah, Big Ross.
Big Ross.
The weightlifter. Yeah.
Came over here and yeah, you just taught me everything. I even went out with the instructions you gave me. Went and took that aboard, practiced myself.
Excellent.
And then came here and nailed the test.
You did?
Yep.
Well, how did you feel in the test?
Oh, it was amazing, just so confident.
Aha. Keyword, confident.
Yeah, confident and, got the job done.
Yeah. So the confidence really comes from the knowledge that you took on from our lessons, and then obviously your application through the training.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, you just cruise through and you got a great score. Can we talk about that? 96?
96, yeah.
Yeah.
96 out of 100.
How do you feel about that?
Oh, it was amazing.
Top marks.
Beautiful.
You only need 90 or better to pass, but you've done really, really well. Near perfect drive, mate.
Yeah, it was
so
good.
Congratulations to you and your parents also for taking you for your practicing time.
Yeah.
But more so, well done for choosing Prepare to Pass, eh?
No, it was beautiful. You taught me everything and paid out in the end.
Good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, all the best.
Thank you.
Another Henley High student passing here, guys. And we wish you happy and safe motoring, Ross.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you around the traps, eh?
Cool. No worries.
We're on the soccer pitch.
No worries.
Ciao.
See you later.
See ya.